Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in polynomials, here I came up with 48 question written on the screen. And what is the problem statement given to us? Suppose that a, b, x and y are the real numbers. Ax plus by is equal to 3, x square plus by square is equal to 7, x cube plus by cube is equal to 16, x power 4 plus by power 4 is equal to 42. Find the value of x power 5 plus by power 5. So to solve such question, we'll be going to make use of some expansions, and finally we would have to get the value of x plus y and x multiplied by y, because that will be useful to get the value of x power 5 plus by power 5. So I'll be going to form equations in two variable, where first variable will be what, x plus y, and the other variable will be what, x into y. So I'll be going to write the value of ax power 3 plus by power 3 as ax square plus by square multiplied by x plus y minus ax plus by multiplied by xy. Now you might be wondering how. Guys, when I will be going to multiply it and will be going to resolve it, now we will be going to get the LHS. So we will be going to get what, ax cube over here plus ax square y over here plus bxy square over here plus by cube over here minus ax square y over here minus bxy square over here. So we'll be going to get cancelled with this thing. This will be going to get cancelled with this thing. So finally we will have ax cube plus by cube. So we have LHS also the same thing. That's why it is getting verified. So we know the value of ax cube plus by cube, that is 16, and we know the value of ax square plus by square, that is 7 multiplied by x plus y. We know the value of ax plus by, that is 3 minus 3 multiplied by xy. Let it be the first equation. Now let's write ax power 4 plus by power 4, that will be becoming what, ax cube plus by cube multiplied by x plus y minus ax square plus by square multiplied by xy. So we'll be going to get what, x power 4 plus by power 4 is equal to, let's cross check the same thing whether we are getting same LHS or not. So x power 4 plus ax cube y plus bxy cube plus by power 4 minus ax cube y minus bxy cube. Okay, so this will be going to get cancelled with this. This will be going to get cancelled with this. And since we are getting the same value of LHS, so we'll be going to proceed further. We know the value of x power 4 plus by power 4, that is 42. We know the value of ax power 3 plus by power 3, that is 16. Then we know the value of ax power 2 plus by power 2, that is 7. So let it be the second equation. We'll be going to write the value of x plus y as capital A over here and the value of xy as capital B over here. That will be becoming what, 7a minus 3b is equal to 16 it will be, and 16a minus 7b is equal to 42 it will be. So guys, we'll be going to eliminate the variables. The first equation I'll be going to multiply it with 7. The second equation I'll be going to multiply it with 3. So we'll be going to get 49a minus 21b is equal to 112, and then 48a minus 21b is equal to, oh my god, we'll be going to get 126. Now subtracting these two equations, this will be going to get cancelled. A will be becoming what, 4, and minus 14 will be the value of a over here. That means x plus y is equal to minus 14 it will be. Then what is the value of xy we are knowing. Let's keep the value of x plus y in any of the equation written over here. We'll be going to get the value of xy. So the value of xy will be becoming minus 38. I'll be going to make use of these two values we have achieved over here to get the value of x power 5 plus by power 5. So that can be written by me like x power 5 plus by power 5 is equal to ax power 4 plus by power 4 multiplied by x plus y minus ax power 3 plus by power 3, x power 3 plus by power 3 multiplied by xy it will be. So guys, we do know the value of x power 4 plus by power 4, that will be what, that is 42 we are knowing. In the question it is given to you, x power 4 plus by power 4 is 42. Now we do know the value of x plus y, that is what? Minus 14 we are knowing. Now we do know the value of ax cube plus by cube, that is what? 16 we are knowing. And we do know the value of xy, that is what? Minus 38 we are knowing. Ax cube plus by cube is 16 given to you. Now proceeding further, we'll be going to write the value, that will be the final result. So 20 will be the final answer for this question. You may multiply and subtract and add, you will get the final answer as 20. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Guys, you should keep such type of simplification in your mind, because it may be asked in your exam. Thanks for watching, my dear students.